boys and girls, and welcome to Golden Guitar. So this one will be a short one. It's from Pretty Much, Talking to You. Love that. Talking to you guys and play for you as well. This one will start with a capo here on the 3rd fret, and we have 3 different chords. So let's go over these 3 very common chords. So we will start with E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord, A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we have one strumming pattern that will work for the song, and we'll look at that now. We have E minor as the 1st chord. Okay, so one round of the strumming will sound like this. All right, so we'll start with down, down, up, clap. Okay. Down, down, up, clap. So pretty easy. Down, down, up, clap. And then it continues with down, up, down, clap, down, up. So down, up, down, clap, down, up. So if we connect these 2 parts with each other, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. Yeah, that's it. And now just for the chord progression that works for the entire song in the same way, it will be 1 round of each chord, and the chord progression will be E minor, C, A minor, and E minor. So it starts and ends with an E minor. So E minor, C, A minor, E minor, E minor, C, A minor, E minor. Yeah, for a couple of minutes. That will sound like this. That is pretty much talking to you. So, thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.